Welcome. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create captivating whiteboard animations using Canva. Plus, I'll introduce you to a unique text-to-speech tool for your voiceovers, so you can kickstart your YouTube and TikTok channels right away. In the early 2000s, producing these animations required VFX and costly software, making them difficult and time-consuming. Today, thanks to Canva's powerful AI tool, anyone can transform a regular image or video into a whiteboard animation effortlessly. Take this channel, for instance. By creating simple explainer videos with this animation style, they've managed to engage their audience and generate significant revenue. According to Social Blade, they earn up to $2,000 per month. Incredible, right? Unlike other lengthy tutorials, this video is designed to be concise and straight to the point, ensuring you can follow along easily and achieve great results by the end. Just make sure to follow the steps accurately to avoid any mishaps. I'll guide you through not only the animation creation process, but also how to finalize your video, ready for upload to YouTube or TikTok. Without delay, let's dive in. First, choose a topic or niche for your video. For instance, I'll be creating a business advisory video, but you can opt for any other niche such as storytelling, motivation, education, or other niches you prefer. Once you've settled on a topic, the next step is to write your script. Scripting involves defining your purpose and audience, creating a compelling hook, and structuring your content clearly with an introduction, main points, examples, and a conclusion. To make the work easier, you can use ChatGPT to generate one for you. Simply go to ChatGPT, enter this prompt, feel free to edit as it relates to the niche you are working with, and hit enter to get your script. If you're working on a different niche and need professional prompts to guide your script generation, feel free to ask for assistance in the comments section. Tweak the script to make it engaging to viewers. Also ask ChatGPT to provide you with prompts to generate images for the whiteboard animation video. You can see that ChatGPT generates the scene description according to the script. This prompts will guide you to get the right images for the video creation. Copy this script and prompts and save in a Google Doc file. After generating your script, the next step is to create a voiceover. There are numerous text-to-speech AI tools available, but I recommend 11 Labs for its natural and expressive text-to-speech capabilities. If you're enjoying this video so far, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for the latest updates on trending AI and money-making opportunities. 11 Labs allows you to convert your text into any voice you choose, offering a wide array of options. You can even clone your own voice for your script. One standout feature is the Voice Isolator, which delivers crystal-clear, isolated speech in any setting. You can find the link to 11 Labs in the description below. To create your voiceover, click on Speech under Text-to-Speech. Enter your script, select a suitable voice, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have your voiceover ready to download. Alright, our script and voiceover are ready. Now let's move on to creating the actual whiteboard animation. First, log into your Canva account. If you're new to Canva, create an account to enjoy a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. After logging in, create your canvas with the desired dimensions based on the platform you are uploading to. For example, I use a 16:9 ratio since it's for YouTube. Click on Elements and use the search box to find key images that relate to each scene of the video. Select and add these images to the canvas. Add text if you wish to make it more appealing and to keep viewers engaged. You can also change the background color if desired. I recommend using gradient colors. Download as a PNG file. Repeat this process for each scene until you have the graphics for the entire video creation. Next, go to the Canva homepage and search for YouTube videos. Select the blank canvas option. Then, click on the Apps section. Search for Speed Painter and choose the app. Click Choose File to upload and select the first scene you downloaded earlier. This app has two settings: the duration of the sketch and the duration of the color fill. I recommend setting a shorter sketch duration so viewers can quickly grasp the image. When ready, click Generate. Add the design to the canvas and enlarge the video so it covers the entire canvas. Click on the plus icon under the canvas to add the next scene. Go back, delete scene 1, and upload the next scene to create the whiteboard animation. Add transitions between the pages to simulate moving to a new whiteboard, alternating the direction of these transitions throughout the video. Repeat this process for the remaining scenes. Upload the voiceover from 11 Labs and take your time to adjust it to sync with the animation. Once you are done, click on Share and Download. With these AI tools, you can easily create a successful YouTube channel and start earning thousands of dollars with minimal effort. Remember, the key to success lies in creativity, consistency, and quality. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell bell icon to stay updated with our incredible content. Start your journey today and turn your creative ideas into a lucrative YouTube channel. Happy creating. It's time to preview the final video.
Top 3 marketing strategies for small businesses. Strategy number 1. Leverage social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are not just for socializing. They're powerful tools for reaching your target audience. Consistently posting engaging content, interacting with your followers, and running targeted ads can significantly increase your brand's visibility. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about building relationships and providing value.